Hello, my dear student. Algebra lecture number 16, chapter number 2, quadratic equation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 2.6. Okay, question number 3. In the orange garden of Mr. Madhusudan, there are 150 orange trees. The number of trees in each row is 5 more than that in each column. Find the number of trees in each row and each column. Okay, now here the conditions are given that you try to understand. Now in orange garden there are 150 orange trees and they are arranged in row and column. So in this case remember the number of trees in row and number of trees in column, the product of these two gives you total number of trees in the garden. Okay, solution. Let number of trees in each column be x. Now by means of condition, the number of trees in each column are less and therefore I assume number of trees in each column be x. And therefore number of trees in each row is 5 more, that means x plus 5. Okay, so number of trees in each column is x and number of trees in each column is x plus 5. So if you multiply this, then you will get total number of trees, and therefore in all there are 150 trees, and therefore x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 150. Simplify this, and therefore x square plus 5x minus 150 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solve this equation, and by means of factorization method I solve this equation. You can use any method. So 150 I split up such that subtraction is equal to 5, 15 minus 10. Okay, and now then write down x square plus 15x minus 10x minus 150 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group you take x common, x into bracket x plus 15 minus 10 into bracket x plus 10 is equal to 0, and therefore x plus 15 and what x minus 10 is equal to 0. Therefore x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, and therefore x minus 15, x is equal to minus 15 or x is equal to 10. But x is not equal to minus 15 as number of trees are not negative. Okay, and therefore x is equal to 10, and hence number of trees in each column is equal to 10 and number of trees in each row is equal to 15. Okay, now then I explain you example number 4. Now all these examples are very important, try to understand. Okay, Vivek is older than Kishore by 5 years. The sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. Find their present ages. Okay, now read this question properly. Vivek is older than Kishore. That means Kishore is what smaller, the less. It is what age is what less, and therefore I assume Kishore's age. So solution, let Kishore's present age be X years. Okay. And therefore Vivek's present age is X plus 5 years. Then condition is given. By given condition, sum of the reciprocals of their ages is 1 upon 6. So reciprocal means take what? Reverse. And therefore 1 upon x plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. Now this you simplify and what get quadratic equation. So I add these two, equalize the denominator. My denominator is x into bracket x plus 5. So I cross multiply. So I multiplied by this here and multiplied by this here. So x plus 5 plus x upon x into bracket x plus 5 is equal to 1 upon 6. And therefore this you transfer on this side and this you transfer on this side. So 6 into bracket this x plus this x is 2x plus 5 is equal to this into this x into bracket x plus 5. And therefore 12x plus 30 is equal to x square plus 5x. And then you arrange transfer this term on this side. Always what you try to put x square term positive. Okay. Now therefore x square plus 5x minus 12x minus 30 is equal to 0. And therefore x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Then solve this quadratic equation. So 30 I split up such that subtraction is equal to 7. X square minus 10x plus 3x minus 30 is equal to 0. And now make what? Two groups. Take x common from this group. X into bracket x minus 10 plus 3 common into bracket x minus 10 is equal to 0. And therefore x minus 10 x plus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 10 is equal to 0 or x plus 3 is equal to 0. And therefore x is equal to 10 and x is equal to minus 3. So this is not possible as age is never negative. And therefore Kishore's present age is equal to 10 years and Vivek's present age is equal to 15 years. Okay. Then I will explain you one more example. Try to understand. Suyash scores 10 marks more in second test than that in first. 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test. Find his score in the first test. Okay. Solution. Let Suyash scores x marks in first test and therefore he scores x plus 10 marks in second test. Then by given condition 5 times the score of the second test is the same as the square of the score in the first test, and therefore 5 times 5 into x plus 10 is equal to x square. Simplify this. 5x plus 50 is equal to x square. This you transfer on this side. X square minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation. I split up 50 such that subtraction is equal to 5. 10 minus 5. Okay. And therefore x plus 5 x minus 10 is equal to 0. So x plus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 10 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 10. So x minus 5 is not possible and therefore x is equal to 10, and hence Surya scored 10 marks in the first test. Okay, now these examples are quite difficult, so you try to understand this, practice this, go through this video again and again so that you understand. Okay, today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you have any question, put in comment box. Thank you.